Understanding the phrase, stubborn as a donkey. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and common phrase in the English language, stubborn as a donkey. This expression is used to describe someone who is very determined not to change their attitude or position on something, despite arguments or persuasion. Let's dive into why this phrase is used and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, stubborn as a donkey, compares the stubbornness of a person to that of a donkey. Donkeys are known for their strong-willed nature and their tendency to refuse to move or do what is asked of them if they decide against it. Similarly, when a person is described as being as stubborn as a donkey, it means they are extremely determined to not change their mind or course of action, regardless of the reasoning or persuasion others may offer. While the exact origin of the phrase is not clear, it's rooted in the long-standing observation of donkeys' behavior. Donkeys have been used as working animals for thousands of years and are often praised for their strength and endurance. However, they are also known for their independent thinking and, sometimes, their refusal to cooperate, which has led people to associate their behavior with stubbornness. This comparison has become a popular way to describe someone's unyielding nature. You can use stubborn as a donkey in both formal and informal settings, but it's more commonly seen in casual conversation. It's important to use it in a context where it's clear you're speaking metaphorically, as directly calling someone stubborn as a donkey might not always be taken positively. Here are a couple of examples. I tried to convince her to take a break and relax for a bit, but she's as stubborn as a donkey. My dad is stubborn as a donkey when it comes to technology. He still won't use a smartphone. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, stubborn as a donkey. It's a colorful way to describe someone's determination not to change, inspired by the real-life traits of donkeys. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to paint vivid pictures with just a few words. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.